Welcome back to my channel again, Perpetual Mesoma Vlog. So today we're going to be showing a recipe on how to prepare pancakes. Pancakes is a regular Nigerian snacks that can be taken with maybe Lipton, jam, tea, any stuff, anything at all that looks like butter, maybe jam. So today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare pancakes. So first of all, we're going to start with the flour. You have to sieve the flour, sieve it first. So I already sieved my flour, and then we'll add all the dry ingredients together. Added the sugar, and this is teaspoon, half teaspoon of baking powder. So that's dry ingredients. I've added all the dry ingredients together, and then go to the wet ingredients. This is my egg. I used one large full egg, and then this is a melted butter, like butter from room temperature. It's a room temperature, like melted butter. I pour it in here, and then add my milk here, and then we'll add vanilla flavor. This is Foster Clark. Then we beat it. After it has been beaten, pour it inside here. We'll make a hole here, and then pour it inside here. Pour it bit by bit. Keep mixing it to make sure there's no crumb in it. And please, before using your flour, you have to sieve it first to avoid crumbs and maybe stones. So keep mixing it. So keep mixing it this way till all the crumbs you see are less, until it's perfectly mixed very well. So by this should be okay, and we'll have to put it on fire now. So now we're about putting the pancake in the fire. We have to put our butter here. Okay, butter. I want to pour in our mixture now. I have to flip it over now. Flip it over carefully. So this is the final outcome of the pancake. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Thank you.